Dear students, we have understood the concept of advertising in our first lecture. Today, we shall try to understand the functions of advertising. Since we all are familiar with commercial advertisements or marketing advertisements. So if we consider marketing advertisement, we will see that the main function of marketing advertisement is to communicate the product features or service features or the offers that the marketer is going to give to the customers, or creating an awareness, and ultimately the result should be an increased sales volume. So therefore, in this case we can say that the function of the advertisement is to communicate the advertised message regarding the product and the service to the targeted audience, and then getting the desired result as increased sales. However, we see that it is not only marketing advertisements or commercial advertisements, some other organizations also execute advertisements. And considering the commercial and other types of advertisements, if we make an analysis, or if we see that what type of functions or what type of roles advertisements play, we can note down a number of important functions. So here the first function of advertisement that we are going to discuss is identifying brands and products. Products, services and ideas are sold through businesses that are differentiated by their brand identities. A brand identity is communicated to the public via advertising. Consumers build emotional relationships with certain brands with which they become increasingly familiar through the years, and this happens due to advertising. So one of the important function of advertising is identifying brands and products. The second function that I want to discuss with you today is providing information to consumers. Advertising supplies the necessary information to consumers so that they know what is available and where to buy it. The broadcasts advertisements provide information on products, services and ideas sold on the open market through a variety of media portals. It reveals the special features being sold, what color and size the product is, and which stores carry it. So therefore, the second function that we see in case of advertisement is that the advertisements provide information about the product, about the brand to the consumers. Other functions we are going to see in the next part of the lecture. Thank you.